Let's learn to spell went. W-E, good job, and T. Hooray! W-E-N-T. Went. Let's learn to spell what. W-H-A-T. Hooray! W-H-A-T. Woohoo! What? White. W, good job. H-I-T. Woohoo! E. W-H-I-T-E. White. Woo. W-H, well done. O. Woohoo! W-H-O. Who. Good job. Let's make a sentence. Write it down. Write it, good job, down. Hoo-hoo. Write it down. Write it down. We will find it. We will, good job, find it. Well done. We will find it. Woohoo! Good job. Stay for lunch. Stay for, well done, lunch. Good job. Woohoo! Stay for lunch. Stay for lunch. You are not funny. You are, well done, not funny. Good job. Woohoo! You are not funny. You are not funny. I can buy two. I can, good job, buy two. Well done. You are doing great. Woohoo! I can buy two. I can buy two. I will go next. I will, good job, go next. Outstanding. I will go next. Good job. You are doing so great. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next video.